Good morning, class. As I've started explaining you chapter 7, that is haircut in English literature, and we have completed the explanation of that chapter. And yesterday we have written the hard words and the word meanings of that chapter also. Now today we are going to start with the answer the following questions of this chapter. Now as today we are going to start the answer the following questions of this chapter, let me tell you a short summary of this chapter. DNP was a person who was being marveled at his name because people used to address him because he was having a long beard on his face. When he was sitting at the bench side and on an empty bench and he was sleeping, and when he wake up he saw that there in his cap there were many coins which people had kept him, thinking that he was a tramp and he was all alone because he was having a very long beard. When DNP went to the Sony hairstyle salon, he just asked the barber to just trim his beard, but instead of trimming it, Mr. Sony shaved off his beard. After seeing that shaved beard, Miss DNP got shocked. So here and DNP got shocked, and instead of going to the vegetable market for buying vegetables for his lunch, he went to the bus stop where a young lady said, DNP, a young man. After hearing that young man, DNP got very happy. So here we complete with the story. Now let us start writing with the answer the following questions of this chapter. Now let us start with the question and answer in our notebooks. First of all, what you all are going to do is put today's date, classwork, answer the following questions. Question 1 is, what was it people marveled about DNP? This question is saying about which thing people marveled at DNP. People were marveling at his name only. So the answer for this is people marveled DNP at his name. Now let us repeat the question. Question 1 is, what was it people marveled about DNP? Answer is people marveled DNP at his name. Second question is, why did DNP grow a beard? This question is saying, why did DNP grow a fine beard on his face? Because DNP thought that people would think more highly that more highly of him if he grew a fine beard. So the answer for this is, DNP thought people would think more highly of him if he grew a fine beard on his face. Question second is, why did DNP grow a beard? Answer for this is, DNP thought people would think more highly of him if he grew a fine beard. Now let us move to the third question. Third question is saying, when did DNP decided to have a haircut and why? This question is saying, why did DNP decided to have a haircut and why? I hope you all remember that when DNP was sitting at the lakeside and people were noticing that he was a tramp, and they put the money in the cap which he was wearing. After that, when he wake up from his sleep, he decided to change his look only. Let us go through the answer. DNP decided to have a haircut when he noticed that the cap which used to fit perfectly well did not fit so well, and so he decided to have a haircut. Now question third is, why did DNP decided to have a haircut and why? Answer for this is, DNP decided to have a haircut when he noticed that the cap which used to fit perfectly well did not fit so well, and so he decided to have a haircut. Now I hope these three answers are now clear to all of you. Let us move to the fourth question. Fourth question is saying, what was funny about the name of the barber shop? This question is saying that what is the funny thing which DNP noticed about the barber shop. When DNP now let me tell, first of all explain you the question answer of it. When DNP marched into the saloon and looked around, there were 4 chairs in there. 3 people were sitting on, only one chair was empty. That was a very hot type of room. And even when DNP thought that it was a very hot room, DNP decided to sit there because he thinks that if it was a hot room, then they will be able to cut my hair only, and I have come here to just for a cutting of my hair. Now let us go to the answer. When DNP marched into the saloon, he read its name. First of all, he read its name and looked around the place, saying that thought, it can't be spelled. It can't be spelled properly. That means it couldn't be spoken properly, but he hoped that they can cut hair. But he thinks that they can only cut my hair, and I have came here to only for the cutting of my hair only. Now let us repeat the question. Question 4 is, what was funny about the name of the barber's shop? Answer for this is, when DNP marched into the saloon, he read its name and looked around the place, saying that thought, it can't be spelled, but he hoped that they can cut hair. But he hoped that they can only cut his hair only. Now let us move to the 5th question. Question 5th is, what was strange about the way Mr. Soni spoke? This question is saying you have to write the strange thing which Mr. Soni spoke to DNP. Answer for this is, Mr. Soni spoke quite strangely as he spoke all the words at once instead of speaking 2 or more words at once. This answer is saying Mr. Soni have spoken quite strange in a strange manner as he spoke all the words in one sentence instead of speaking 2 or more words at once. Now let us repeat the question. What was strange about the way Mr. Soni spoke? Answer for this is, Mr. Soni spoke quite strangely as he spoke all the words at once instead of speaking 2 or 1 word at once. Okay, now I hope these 5 answers are now clear to all of you. Now what you all are going to do is, first of all, you have to write the heading using black pen. Write all the questions using black pen, answers using blue pen. After each and every question, make a line like this I have made. Now, and copy all the answers in your notebook. After completing the 5 answers in your notebook, homework for you all is to learn the word meanings of this chapter thoroughly. That means learn the word meaning of chapter 7, haircut, thoroughly. Thank you.